Did you know you can use social media to land your next job? Social media is here to stay and you should use it to your advantage. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Clubhouse, and even more seem to be everywhere. Social media is a great way to get constant updates about the relevant and not so relevant aspects of everyone's lives. Today we'll consider a practical application of social media: finding your next job. Social media gives you great tools for sharing information electronically with a potentially very large audience. This can help you land your dream job. Welcome to Diamond Ideology, the place where we help you achieve the health, wealth, and relationships you desire. Subscribe if you want more personal development content like this. Try these strategies to help you land a great job. Number 1. Focus your attention on people instead of companies. For instance, if you're interested in a particular company, check out their LinkedIn page and see if you know anyone that works there or if anyone that worked there is an alumni from your high school or college. Join LinkedIn groups to get insight into what is going on in your industry and be active in those groups. You don't know who is connected to whom. If LinkedIn doesn't work for you, try Facebook. Look on Facebook for people who work at a particular company you want to work for. You're likely to also see the other people they know. Maybe you share an acquaintance or two. You can ask for advice, ask about their experience working there, and get more contacts from them. You'll want to be subtle. Most people will be unhappy about being bombarded with job requests on their personal time. By starting out with a few non-intrusive messages, you should be able to make inroads towards your goals. Number 2, start your own blog. By putting out content that showcases your knowledge and expertise, people will begin to see you as an expert. Blogs are an easy way to start, and many websites will host yours for free. Other than the work involved is free advertising for you. If you are creative, using your blog to host your portfolio can be invaluable. If you're not afraid to spend a little money, I would suggest setting up a blog on your own domain. Having your own domain will make you look more professional. I personally recommend Namecheap to purchase domains. Number 3, use Twitter. It's becoming common to hear stories of people getting laid off, sending out a few tweets proclaiming their new unfortunate job status, and ultimately finding a new position as a result of their tweets. With Twitter, word spreads quickly. Companies are beginning to use this tool as well for the same reason. Recruiters use Twitter to announce positions and give updates. For this to work, your Twitter needs to be professional looking. Use a nice headshot photo on your profile. Fill out your profile so if a recruiter is searching, you will come up. Follow companies and their hiring managers so you know when new positions become available. And keep your tweets professional. Number 4, take advantage of video. In addition to more usual social media tools, video is becoming increasingly relevant. Upload a video resume to YouTube and let the world know what you can do and what you are looking for. Check out other video resumes to get a feel for how it's done. When creating a video, keep brevity in mind. Explain your background, describe what you're looking for, and why you'd be the best for the job. Take your time and get it right. You can re-record as often as you need to. Number 5, if video isn't your thing, use audio. The Clubhouse app has shown us how much we all enjoy audio. You can set up your own podcast and talk about your experience and what is going on in your industry. You can even have industry experts on your podcast. Make connections and build relationships. You'll never know what they might lead to. Social media is here to stay, so you might as well use it for something constructive. Finding employment is never enjoyable, but utilizing social media can really make a difference. Never before has the average person had so much capability to reach so many people. Craft your message and get it out there every way you think you can. Thanks for watching. How about you check out this video next?